Welcome back, everyone. Happy Tuesday. So what have I been doing? I've been picking apart some fibers here while waiting for my yarn to dry for my second sweater, and also debating on different collars and edging instead of just a ribbed. And yeah, some of this is almost felted. Not cool. So I learned something new. Let me know if you like it. Let's learn together. Let's see this new edging that I found. All right, so yes, these are the new Knitter's Pride needles that I'm trying out. I'm not sure if I like them. One reason being is I'm not sure if you can hear this. It's a little tough on the seams, but this is the edging. It's called a corded, let me double check. Cording stitch. And I never tried it. Never heard of it. Until when I was still searching for patterns, I came across a pattern for a lightweight Raglan sweater from Pearl Soho. I'll put the link in the description below. And the edging caught my eye. And yes, it is knit from the bottom up. It is a Raglan. I don't want to do bottom up. I want to do a top down to show you. So I was like, why not let me see if I can do this. There's so many knitting stitches. How many do you guys know? I'm not sure. They're always coming up with something else. So using Pearl Soho's little guide there on that free pattern, it says to turn the work over and with the right needle pick up the 4th purl bump. Now, of course, you're doing this in the round. I'm clumsy with these needles. I'm not familiar with them. I don't like the cords. There's a lot of things that I don't already like about them. So, enough of that. 1, 2, 3. It would be this purl bump that is way in there because as you're pulling that same row, they get tighter and tighter. And then you're putting that purl bump up with your next stitch and knitting the two together. And that's how it creates, let me get that through. Ugh, these cords. Why can't any of these companies get it right? Chalgoo has the cords right. So that's what creates that bump in your knitting. And it has a little bit of rounded, these needles are all up in the grill here. Little rounding. I think it'll look cool. What do you think? It wasn't that hard to learn. Like I said, there's so many knitting stitches out there. I mean, it would take forever. And they're always constantly coming up with new ways of doing stuff. So let's see. Purl bump 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's no easy way to show it. But it's back there. Got that little bugger. And pull this back through. Maybe by the time this exercise is done, these needles will conform to what I want. But like I said, I don't know if I like them yet. But I think I found my edging for my Raglan sweater. Pretty nifty. So I hope it wasn't too blurry. I was trying to really get up close and personal with this. And I'm sorry about the complaining about these needles. But it is what it is, right? So you saw me fumbling. I know you guys fumble because we all do it. So I have a few little bits left. a lot of vegetable matter to clean up off my desk and floor. And hopefully the yarn will be dry for the next time and it'll be casted on and we can walk through this. Because I'm using a pattern that's not a pattern. It's more like a recipe. So it's a fill in the blanks. And it's free. And I'll put the link next time because I don't have it here handy to tell you what it is. But yeah. And you're going to be like, whoa, it doesn't have anything on there for fingering weight, because I am using fingering weight. So you're going to learn a little bit and I'm going to teach you. So back to pulling this wool apart. So like, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified when I post a new video. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Looks like little bugs on my desk. Ew. But look at that pot of wool. It's got to be dyed again. And I didn't dye it. I bought it dyed. Not cool.